Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you what's in the Summer 2018 Margot Elena Discovery Box. This box is a quarterly subscription. It's $49.95 per. You have to pay shipping. I think you save $20 if you pay for the whole year at once. You pay $7 for shipping, which I've seen a lot of people complain about. This box weighs 5 pounds 12 ounces. I'm not that mad at that. And also there's a guaranteed value of $200 in products in this box. I've heard this one is $220. The products are all from Margot Elena. Many of them are available on the website. Maybe I'll link to a review that will tell you which ones are exclusive, because I don't know that I know that off the top of my head. Some of them are exclusive to the box, and some of them you can buy on the website. I have no self-control, so I have seen spoilers. There's one thing which I don't know what color I'm getting. I first heard about this box on Christine Roselle's channel. And hopefully she'll review this one, because what she does is she'll actually wait until she's had a chance to use a lot of the products and really give you more than just first impressions, which is fun. But I'm going to go ahead and give you the first impressions. I love Margot Elena products. I used to work in a stationery store where we also carried some gifts, and that was when the Lolia brand of hers was kind of new, and we had samples of the hand creams out. And the owner of the company would have to be like, ladies, don't use up all the samples because then our customers can't try them. But the smells were all so nice, but I could never make up my mind about which one I wanted. So I actually loved the idea of a discovery box. Pretty box. I just sliced it open. Little poem in there. The theme is Summer of Love. The brands in this box are Margot Elena, Cottage Greenhouse, Neptune and Mermaid. There's just some cards. Maybe that's just what the cards are, though. TokyoMilk, Cottage Greenhouse, Lolia, and that's it. They have a few other brands under their umbrella, and I think it does vary a little bit from one to the next. There's a little letter. Everything's wrapped up in tissue there. Let me get right into it. First thing is this Turkish towel, which I'm kind of excited about because I've always seen them, but I'm just too cheap to actually buy one. It feels really neat. They're kind of like, they're really absorbent, I think, but kind of like a giant dishcloth kind of towel. I don't really have any beach trips planned this summer. I'm not sure what I will use it for, but it's pretty and it's cozy. I don't know. It would almost be a nice like throw blanket when you just want to like have something over you because of the air conditioning, but not like actually have like a big fleece blanket. So that might be how I use it this summer. This is the honeycomb striped Turkish towel for $44. $44 is, I don't buy that, but that is the price. Here we can see all the products. The only Lolia item are these three, oh, they smell so good. These three soaps. This is Velvet as Night. I don't know what you're gonna get out of watching me smell things, but Sleeping Under the Stars or From the End Credits. They're all kind of florally, very sweet floral. They're nice. I feel like maybe, I don't know, they're kind of big. I was thinking sometimes these might be good for gifting. Since I make stationery, sometimes like for teacher gifts and stuff, I will put together a stationery. By the way, I'm going to show you what's on my t-shirt because it drives me crazy when you can see someone's t-shirt and you can see that there's words, but you can't see it. So that's my shirt. It's from Target. It's Grace and Threads. I can't remember if it was 15 or 20. I actually kind of like it. It's lightweight. It's cut pretty well, and it has like a rounded hem at the bottom. This perfumed soap trio is $24. And so there are these cute little postcards with like foil on them. I don't know if I'll use them. They could actually be pretty together in frames. Maybe I'll do a little project. Margot Elena Infinite Beauty Rhassoul Clay Face Mask. So it says Cleanse, Tone, Tighten. I think it's a clay mask. packaging is really pretty. It says all skin types, but I tend not to do super well with clay. It just kind of dries out my skin. The retail price on this is $12. This is powder though, and it says to use 1 to 2 teaspoons. You add 1 to 2 teaspoons of this to water. So you would get, I would say you might get 5 or 6 applications from this. I think this one might go in my pass along as a gift thing. So yeah, sometimes I want to like give someone stationery, but then it's nice to like give a couple things, make a little basket, put it in a mug with some soap, something. And the packaging on this stuff is all just so pretty that it's so nice for gifting. Put together as actually a single gift because there is a rosemary mint foot scrub and a rosemary mint foot rescue cream. Although I could probably use, my feet could probably use being rescued. And there were different colors available of this. My mom uses this. This is like a blue metallic. My mom uses that every year. I don't usually use dark blue nail polish. But I feel like you could put this together and make a nice little teacher gift or something. Oh no. But the lid on one of these is cracked. Not the world's biggest deal, but I might just contact them so that I can tell you what they do if you contact them that something has been damaged. Foot cream is $28. The foot scrub is $26. Nail color is $15. And there were I think 6 different colors and you did not get to pick. The rest of the stuff I'm definitely not regifting. The lip elixir, TokyoMilk by Margot, Elena. It says Pretty Rotten, green tea and jasmine lip balm. I might keep this on my nightstand because I like to moisturize my lips before I go to bed. And also that way you can do it when you've just washed your hands. It smells really pretty. I don't like things you dip into though when you're like out and about. In a metro, put my hands in something and then put that on my mouth. So I think I will keep these at home. It does smell really good. The lip elixir is $7. And then there is this hand lotion. Packaging again is really pretty. This is TokyoMilk. Oh, and it's like a little drawer that comes out. But I'm not giving this one away. It's so pretty though. It would be a really nice gift. I mean, look at it, like the detail. And then you take it out and there's like foil in there. It would be a really pretty gift. But it's a gift for me. The Dead Sexy Bon Bon Shea Butter Lotion is $20. And it says Deep Vanilla Exotic Wood White Orchid Ebony. So it's really nice. It's like vanilla. Actually, I used to love, I think it was like Garden Botanica or something. It was like a vanilla musk scent. And it's kind of more like that, where it's like earthy vanilla. It's not a super sweet vanilla. Deep Vanilla Exotic Wood White Orchid Ebony. So that kind of makes sense. That it has like an earthy scent to it. It's not really vanilla cupcake or vanilla candle kind of smell. Packaging's so pretty. Like I said, I'm not gifting this one. This is for me. So this is definitely for me. This is definitely for me. The other thing that I'm definitely keeping is the Cottage Greenhouse Wild Ginger and Agave Moisture Rich Body Oil. Dry body oil. Packaging is so cute. Look at that with the little leaf and the little twine. It does seem to absorb really nicely. It says it's agave and ginger. I don't know if I know what agave even smells like. It does smell like ginger. Not like super hot ginger, just fresh. So it's nice. I should really like this. I like remember to use these 2 things at night. I will be more moist. That's gross. And there's one more product which I totally forgot about. Cottage Greenhouse Cucumber and Honey Relaxing Bath Soak. That is cute. That is just salt and fragrance, so I might use that myself. So I enjoyed this. Glad it's quarterly because I couldn't handle this much every month. I think it's fun to try the different things. I like her scents in general. They're very fresh and clean to me. They can tend toward floral. I don't like the base scent of Bath & Body Works. I just, like, I go in there and it just, when I'm in the store, I can smell the different things and like, oh, this smells like white chocolate mint. And then you get out, you put it on your hand, it smells like white chocolate mint while you're in the store. And then you get out and it smells like Bath & Body Works to me. Like, I just can't get over their base scent, so I don't love that. I do like Crabtree and Evelyn. But for that kind of scented stuff, it's fun to try different things. It's kind of fun to be doing different things all the time so that you're not getting too used to something, because then you can like put so much of a fragrance on yourself that you don't know that you're stinking up the place. So I think it'll be fun to try this for at least a few boxes. I don't know if the stuff's going to end up piling up to where I'm not using enough of it. My kids are in high school now. They don't like, we don't do like teacher gifts in the same way. Some of their teachers I never meet. I set up these little chocolates for the kids to give to their teachers for Teacher Appreciation Week. The kids refuse to take them. They're private music teachers. 2 out of 3 of the teachers that we deal with are male. I don't give them like pretty soaps. So I only need like a limited amount of this kind of stuff as things to use myself and things to give out to people. I'll open the comments and let you know what they say when I let them know that the lid on one of those is cracked. I'm really happy, even just of the stuff that I would be happy to have bought for myself. So Turkish towel, dry body oil, hand cream. I feel like it was a good value. I'll keep going with it until stuff starts to pile up and I decide enough already. But it's so pretty too. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe below. See you soon. Did I say Chloe Elena? I almost am willing to bet that I said Chloe Elena at some point in this video. It's Margot Elena. Bar teacher, her Instagram name is Chloe Elena, which I assume is her middle name. I know her as Chloe. She has really cute kittens if you want to stalk her on Instagram. And she's curly hair, and we talk about that. I don't know, but like, so to me, Elena, like as a middle name, is attached to Chloe. So it will not surprise me when I go through editing if I've called this box the Chloe Elena box. It's the Margot Elena box.